Well, hey guys, I'm on the Allure of the Seas and we're fixing to dock in Costa Maya, Mexico. Now it's about a quarter till 7, so it's still a little dark. But I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what it's like to dock in Costa Maya, Mexico. And I'm going to start filming this from my 14th deck balcony. So let's check it out. Well, the sun hadn't came up yet. It's still a little dark out here. Looks like we got a calm day, so kind of let you see what we're starting with. I know we're getting close because I can see some lights in the distance. Well, there comes the little pilot boat to drop the port pilot off. Well, looks like we're getting a little closer. See land. Sun's, I hadn't seen it break, but at least we can see a little bit now. And I guess the port pilot's on board. There he goes. Or at least there goes the port pilot boat. Well, looks like we already got another ship in port today. Not real sure. Looks like a Norwegian ship. Well, we're getting a little closer now. I can see the end of another Royal Caribbean ship. So it looks like we're going to have at least 3 ships here today. I don't know the name of either one, but when we get closer, I'll let you know. Like people's already getting off the Norwegian ship. It must have got here real early. It's not even good daylight yet. Well, as we've got closer, I can tell that is the Grandeur of the Seas, the Royal Caribbean ship, and that is the Norwegian Viva. See the officers up in there guiding the ship. Getting closer. Always amazes me how they can take these big old ships and just turn them sideways and just slide them right over into place. You can see people walking into Costa Maya from here. It looks like it's a long way, but I think it's kind of an optical illusion. It is quite a good little walk in there if you got mobility issues, but it's not near as far as it looks. And they do have some little trams. You can see it. You probably can't, but there's a little tram sitting up there on each end that people that have trouble walking, they can get on that tram, or anybody, I guess, can get on it and ride up and ride back. See the dock workers down there. They're finishing tying up the Grandeur. That ought to be timed about right. So as they get it tied up, we'll be docking and tie us up. To give you a little idea about the sizes of the Grandeur of the Seas versus the Allure of the Seas, the Grandeur of the Seas is a little over 73,000 gross tons. The Allure of the Seas is right at 225,000 gross tons, give or take. So this ship that I'm on right here is about 3 times the size of the Grandeur of the Seas. So, you know, some people like the big ships, some like the smaller ships, and some like to just sail on whatever's available. So that kind of gives you an idea. This dock, if you'll see, they're not even pulled to the front, and you can see there's room at the back. This ship's going to take up the entire dock, plus you'll see hang off the front a long way. So quite a bit of difference in these 2 ships. Almost there. You kind of get an idea. I'm only on the 14th deck. You can look up, you can see way up there, but we're looking down into their top deck, or that's their jogging track I'm looking at. See them guys over there, them big winches pulling the ropes in and out. There's a good shot looking down between two cruise ships and another cruise ship sitting at the end. We're about to touch the bumpers. Pretty neat how they do it. The cruise ship shoots a small rope over there with a weight, and then the dock workers pull the big rope over. Well, best I can tell, we're right up against the pier. Now just guys getting the big ropes out and tie us down. Well, I'll give you one more shot down through here before I wrap the video up. There's the Grandeur. We're on the Allure. Looks like the guys, dock workers, got a little cart. They're pulling the big rope over to tie it down. There's the crew up there watching everything. We're in Costa Maya, Mexico. There's a shot of the port looking over the top of the Grandeur of the Seas. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that video, Allure of the Seas docking in Costa Maya, Mexico. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.